Hey my tie-dyes, welcome back to my channel, and today is another vlog day. How y'all doing today? So I am up and it is early as freak in the morning. Well, it's not that early, but it's early to me because it's the weekend. It's like 9 in the morning, and y'all know my voice get deep in the morning, just bypass it. But whoo, I'm so tired, but I gotta get up. Well, I'm up and I'm about to go ahead and go get Kaylin and take her hair down and wash it and get it ready to be braided today. Both the girls are getting their hair done today, but Kaylin is the only one who need her hair washed because Rain just got her hair washed. So I'm finna go into this Circle K and get me some coffee because your girl is freaking sleepy. Y'all, I am exhausted, but I left Rain with her daddy because I ain't no need to even bring her with me right now this second if she ain't got to get her hair washed. So I gotta wash Kaylin hair, take her hair down, wash it, and prepare for the week before we start getting hair done and stuff today. Because I was thinking about getting my hair done today, like letting Darius do my hair. But I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know what size coffee I want to get. I think I might go with large. The extra large is a little too big.
The envelopes, I didn't know if you had all of them or just grab.
Sex. Oh God. Oh God. He just a young nigga. He just a drug dealer. He just a thug nigga. He just a rich nigga.
Hey guys, so we just picked up Kaylin. Say hi. Hello. So we about to get ready to go head to the house and let Kaylin watch the iPad while I take her hair down. And then we're gonna wash her hair. Hopefully it doesn't be a big ordeal because sometimes she get to cutting up when I start doing her hair. You gonna cry? Okay, we gonna see. I'm gonna try to record it, y'all. We gonna see if she cries. out tired for some reason today. And I feel like I'm not even halfway done with my day. But I done got Kaylin hair taken out and washed. I folded some clothes. Probably not about to put them up right now. I'm drying another load. And I'm about to come in here and clean the bathroom. And then me and Kaylin gonna get ready to leave for the hair appointment. Y'all, so I'm in Walmart looking like Boo Boo the food. It's a tornado warning. We just dropped the girls off. Well, no, it's like an alert. They on the radio they said take cover. So it's like a freaking tornado outside, but I'm still trying to get the girls' hair done and my hair. We still got to get our hair done because tomorrow ain't gonna be no tornado, but our head gonna be looking like a tornado, and that's the no for me, honestly. So hey, we just gonna have to work something out. So I'm finna grab something, excuse me, real quick to retwist my hair. I thought about using what I already had, but it's just not good. It's just like this grease, and it don't look like they have anything for me. I guess I'm gonna have to use that grease, because they don't have nothing in here for retwisting hair. I guess the olive oil smooth and whole pudding. No. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end up using what I already got. Excuse me. I see some Jamaican mango and lime down here. Definitely not gonna use no beeswax. They say don't use Jamaican mango and lime, but I used to use it all the time with my other set of locks, and I mean, that's all they got right now. So excuse me, I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. I'm the one who wanted their hair done so bad. You can hear the rain in here, y'all. It's coming down. Just gotta get my pipe cleaners, and I'll be good to go. And here they are over here in the craft section. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get 4 of these, and I'm gonna get 1 pack of these to get this color out of here. All right, time to go get in line. So y'all, I am so fucking pissed off. Like, I did all of it running around for nothing because now I gotta go get my kids because of the power keep going out in the girl house who's supposed to braid their hair. So now I gotta go get them. I'm just fucking blowed, man. I've been doing all this running around in this rain and stuff, and now it's all seriously for nothing. So yeah, guys, now I'm just on my way to go get my kids. Hey guys, I'm back. Kaylin and Rain is here. Say hi, guys. Hi. They had looking a fool like I was just ranting about, but there he is. Called his sister. That's there he is. Y'all know him. He called his sister Jazz, and Jazz said that she'll do their hair. And apparently she's not having electricity issues. So we about to turn around and head back to the south.
Even if Jasmine was having electric issues, she'll still do their hair.
Yeah, Jasmine gonna get it done. But yeah, so Jasmine is gonna braid their hair. Hopefully she can do it in the style that I want. Well, she said she was gonna braid Kaylin hair, and we just gonna try to like finesse her into doing Rain hair too. But if not, I'll be happy with just Kaylin's hair. But hopefully she can do the two styles that I picked out. But we're gonna see. I guess we're gonna see when we get there. Hey you guys, so I finally got the girls dropped off again to get their hair braided, and now I'm about to get my hair done and watch a little TV. I don't know if this gonna be the end of the vlog or not. I don't know if I have enough footage of the day to end the vlog here, but if so, then I love you guys, and I'll see y'all later. And if y'all like my vlogs, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and turn those notifications on so you know when I post. And I love y'all.